Key factors in establishing liability after a car accident in Tennessee. Establishing liability after a car accident in Tennessee is a crucial aspect of any legal or insurance claim. Liability determines who is at fault for the accident and, consequently, who is responsible for compensating the injured party. Several key factors come into play when determining liability in Tennessee car accident cases. Negligence. Negligence is a central concept in establishing liability. To prove liability, you must demonstrate that the at-fault party acted negligently. This means showing that the driver breached their duty of care, which is the obligation to drive safely and responsibly, and that this breach directly caused the accident and resulting injuries. Traffic violations. Violations of traffic laws can be a clear indicator of negligence. Running a red light, speeding, failing to yield the right of way, or other traffic violations can establish fault. Witness statements. Eyewitness accounts can provide valuable testimony regarding the events leading up to the accident. Their statements can help corroborate your version of the events and establish liability. Police reports. Police reports are often considered authoritative documents in determining liability. They contain information about the accident, witness statements, and the officer's assessment of fault. However, it's important to note that the police report is not the final word on liability and can be challenged if it contains inaccuracies. Expert witnesses. In some cases, expert witnesses may be called upon to provide insight into complex issues such as accident reconstruction or vehicle defects. Their testimony can be critical in establishing liability. Comparative fault. Tennessee follows a modified comparative fault system. If both parties share fault for the accident, their respective percentages of fault are determined. If you are found to be less than 50% at fault, you can still recover damages, but your reward will be reduced proportionally to your level of responsibility. Defenses. The at-fault party may attempt to establish defenses to shift or reduce liability. For instance, they may argue that you were also negligent, or they may claim that the accident was due to unforeseeable circumstances. Evidence preservation. Collecting and preserving evidence such as photographs of the accident scene, vehicle damage, and any visible injuries is vital. This evidence can support your claim and help establish liability. It's essential to work with an experienced attorney when pursuing a car accident claim in Tennessee. They can assess the facts of your case, gather evidence, and navigate the legal process to establish liability and seek fair compensation for your injuries and damages. Understanding these key factors in liability determination can help you make informed decisions in the aftermath of a car accident.